I want to show the way we use to clean the air ducts deep cleaning if you have any mold inside. So this is our brush. It's a rotary brush. So it also spins here. You can see one side and also the other side also. Both sides. And from here, it's connected with a 25-foot long hose through the control box to the vacuum. So when I turn on the vacuum, there's going to be suction here. And when it spins, all the dirt goes straight into the vacuum. Also what we use is this, you can see, this is our disinfection we use. You can spray it on top of the brush, put it inside. When it spins, it cleans all the brush and vacuums all the dirt. We also have a couple sizes of brushes. This one is for the 8-inch or 9-inch. This one is for small 4 or 5-inch. And this is a big one, 12, 14-inch. This is for the return. That's it. Thank you very much. Happy holidays.